Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 9 December 2021 and today's video topic is why string is immutable. So before we starting a string is why string is immutable, we start first what is a string? String concept. What is two types of object in a string? There are first we will see a string. Why string? What is a string? So string is an object that are represented sequence of a character value and in to array character that are similar to the string. So in a string uh, in a string class there are lot of methods uh, length equal to um, split intern substring. That are many more methods readymade methods in the string. So first the java.lang string class are implement serialization comparable and sequence of a character interface. So what is the sequence of a character? Sequence of a character is used to represent as a character of sequence. A string is a string buffer and string builder are string buffer, string builder are implement on it. It means there are three uh, classes classes are created a string. So why string is mutable, which means a string is can't movable, can't changeable. So there are so string is which string is we move string is movable, can't movable, and the object program immutable string that can't be modified once it's created, but we can only change the reference of the object. We restrict to change the object itself. The string is immutable because its security and synchronization and concurrency catching and class loading. The reason of making strings final is to destroy the immutability and to not allow other extended. Mm, so before we start mutable, why string is immutable, we will see two object creation. First is by using literal, and second is by using new keyword. So first is bilateral. Bilateral is created by using double quotes, and the literal is how works literal. Literal is each and every time we will create a string. The the JVM checks string constant full first. If string is already exit in a pool, the reference string is pulled out, is pulled instance is returned. And if string is doesn't pulled in a uh, doesn't exit in a pool, the string instance variable are present in a used in a string constant pool. So uh, string is safe for multi-threading because it's immutable class. A different thread can access a single string instance. It removes synchronization and thread safety because we make a string thread safety implicitly. String is immutable in a Java. In a Java, there are unavoidable type of variable while writing any application program. A string is an instance is used to attributes like username, password, etc. A string is an immutable. It means unchangeable. Why string is an immutable? String is an literal concept in a Java. Suppose we will create a 5 reference variable that are refers to one object. If one object is one reference variable is change the object of change the value of object it affected to all reference variable. That's why string is immutable. Thank you.